My friend, have you ever wondered why we even cry? Why do we express our emotions? Some of us are ballers, like we bawl. We bawl our eyes out. And I'm a baller. But there are times when I'm a silent crier as well. And so I cry when I'm feeling pain or even tears of joy, I'll cry. Some people are not criers, they don't cry to express nothing. You just wonder, but are you a crier? Do you ever cry for everything, or do you only cry when you're feeling some kind of grief or trauma or pain, heartbreak? Tears aren't weaknesses. They are telling a story. They're telling a story to ourselves when we cry. Sometimes it's a sign of healing and relief, and also telling people a story around us. I wrote this poem called Tears and Emotion, and I'm going to read it. Why are we made with tears intricately woven by emotions for our own expressions? These emotions can be tamed like an animal, or maybe we are wild mammals where our emotions must soar like the lions in the jungle roar. Tears fall quietly unseen by the world. Emotions stir a storm inside my soul. We cry for the losses, the dreams postponed, the love that slipped away, the pain we hide from others. Yet in these tears we find truth, the courage to feel, the strength to rise, the healing that begins when we embrace our emotions. Psalms 56, verse 8 says, Thou tellest my wandering, put thou tears into thy bottle. Are they not in the book? So God sees our tears. He counts them all, and they're very important to him. So our tears, again, are not tears of emotion. They're part of God's design for a bigger picture for us. My friend, if you like this, please like, comment, share, and follow for more poems like this that resonate with your heart. God loves you, and so do I. Peace.